I go back to school in 13 days and I want to glow up, have a little refresh for the new year, and I'm taking you along with me. While I expected to do some self-care, I did not expect that it would be $1,000. I got so many different treatments done. I also did some online shopping and it definitely added up. But a lot of these maintenance items were on my to-do list for the new year, and I definitely tried out a lot of new things. I'm gonna show you guys everything I did to prep for school. Subscribe and let's get into the maintenance vlog. Today's day one and I'm getting laser hair removal. They're going to zap lasers into my hair follicles. It's going to take away the pigment and shrink them, but also I'm afraid that it's going to hurt me. We have a lot of maintenance self-care to do, like one, the hair. It's grown out, it's dry. It's also broken and damaged because I spent all of 2024 doing slick backs. So in the new year, we're gonna have some hair rehab. My appointment starts in a little bit, so I gotta go. Okay y'all, we are at our first stop. Laser hair removal. I'm about to go inside and I'm a little bit nervous. The plan is to get laser hair removal on my legs and on my armpits. If all goes well, maybe I'll do some other areas in the future, but for now, we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, y'all, we're in the room where it's gonna happen. I have to undress. So, I'll see you later. She wants me to put this on, so I'm gonna do that. Okay.
I'll have you lay back.
Okay, so the esthetician had me lay down. I was starting to get really nervous, so I asked if she could wipe my armpit because I started to sweat in anticipation. I didn't know what to expect.
It may feel like a little snappy, like a rubber band.
Okay.
It has like a cooling mechanism on the actual tip, so it'll kind of help ease some of the discomfort.
Okay.
But it'll get easier as we go on with the treatments itself.
I was not that nervous before, but now I'm kind of nervous.
Oh no, don't be. It'll be a breeze.
I've never had any treatments like this done before.
Ready, 1, 2, 3. How was that?
Oh, that was fine.
Not too bad.
Oh, that was fine.
Some areas are gonna be a little more sensitive than others.
Oh yeah, that's a sensitive area for sure.
The center of the armpit is probably the worst.
Yeah. Some spots were definitely tender, but I started getting used to the laser sensation. I just feel like everyone in LA is hairless, so I'm like, I think I need...
Turn.
Yeah. We were not done there because next is onto the legs, a larger limb. So I was expecting it to hurt, but I actually didn't feel anything. Maybe I was just distracted in good conversation. My esthetician was so sweet. In total, the service was $375. Okay, y'all, I just got dressed. The legs didn't feel anything. The arms, not that bad, but it did get very spicy on the middle. First day of the glow up, done. Day 2 of getting ready to go back to school. So I'm on vacation, right? And I get an email from Meta. They reach out and they're like, oh, we're in town for CES, which is this big digital convention at the Wynn. Which, if you don't know about Las Vegas, the Wynn is the nicest hotel in the whole strip. They were like, we'll get you a room and we'll give you breakfast and a meditation with the MetaQuest 3. This year I want to do more meditations. It's also with Headspace, which I use all the time during school specifically. I'm nervous to go back to school because final season was so stressful. And I wanted to post a finals vlog, bro, but I was just slammed with work, because microeconomics, y'all know I didn't really go to class, so I had to hustle and study. And I did good on the test. I got 89. It's good that I'm getting good grades in case I wanna apply to grad school. Outfit. My sister's matching. At 7 a.m., my sister and I were ready for the meditation. The only thing is we had to find it in this huge hotel. I don't know where we're going. They sent a map. My sister and I are in college. Hopefully we're smart enough to figure it out together. We took the elevator down to the casino floor. Casinos are intentionally designed to be difficult to navigate so that people stay in there longer to gamble. This is the main floor of the casino. I'm also 21 now, so I can gamble. And I tried for the first time at the Venetian for my birthday, and I put in 20 and I got $4, so I lost. Hi. We've been catcalled 3 times already, my sister and I. 7:40, there's people gambling right now. They don't leave any windows in casinos so that you don't know what time it is. We have to go past the wedding chapel. I guess this is the only way to go. The further and further we walked, the more opulent the hotel became. I had never been to this part of the Wynn, and oh my gosh, it was stunning. Oh, the waterfall? I don't even know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna get it on my phone so you can see it. This is insane. It had a full view of their golf course, which stretched for miles. Damn. And the view of the hotels. This was their convention center, ballroom area. I don't even know, but it was insane. There were waiting rooms, a whole different lobby. My sister said there's a rotunda. Whoa. We are starting off the new year luxurious. The garden.
All the spaces were filled with different tech companies doing showcases, and we were on our way to Meta's suite. It was so cool inside. I've never been to anything like this. I was looking around the space and immediately spotted a coffee bar, so you know I beelined over there to get myself an espresso. Everything about this morning was so luxurious. There was also an AI booth, which you guys know how I feel about AI. I still tried it out. I was more excited for these.
These are the spy glasses. They film.
So like when you're filming, these light up.
Those Meta Ray-Bans were calling my name. After some exploring, meditation was in session. We had some yoga mats and the Meta Quest headsets. It was my first time using the headset. It was pretty cool. I will say you could still kind of see the pixels. And after, Meta gifted us some free Meta Ray-Bans. Thank you so much, Meta, Headspace, and the Ad Council. This was so much fun.
It's day 3 and LA is on fire. That's why I'm wearing a mask. I'm in downtown LA right now and I'm going to get my hair done.
Yes, with D brown. Number 2 down this hallway. Thank you. Everything, are you safe?
Yes.
Like I just got back a few days ago. Y'all, D is the prettiest. Y'all need to come to her if you want to get your hair done well. I cheated on my hair lady with her and I never went back. It was a lovely affair. We need to touch up the highlights. I'm also gonna get a trim. I know she's the girl to do it, and we're gonna get it done before school starts.
Basically, I lied when I said a little trim because we cut off like 2 to 3 inches of my hair. It looked so crazy and blonde when she fluffed it out, but we finally said goodbye to those dead ends.
Whoa, my hair looks so cool.
Next step, we're touching up the highlights. Finally, because my hair was so grown out, you could definitely see where it was last dyed. So we got the foils, we bleached it, and now Dee is rinsing out the bleach. So it's gonna look really blonde at first, but we're gonna do sort of a darker brown color. I've been over my super blonde highlights. I want something that looks super natural, closer to my dark brown natural hair. So she did a custom color. She mixed like a bunch of different colors. I don't know what kind of color hair chemistry she had going on, but whatever it was the perfect color that I had in mind. This hair session was almost as much as my laser treatment. $361. That's including my tip. It's already been an expensive glow up and we're not even done yet.
Today, we're getting the nails done. See how grown out these are? School starts in 2 days. It's Saturday. School starts on Monday. Want to do my nails. I also want to show you guys some free glow up tips. Like, number 1 free glow up tip, drink your water. Like, why are you not drinking water right now? I have like the larger Stanley. This one's a smaller one, and I have the one I use linked in my Amazon storefront. I will probably drink like 3 to 4 a day, which they're huge, like the 40-ounce ones. Get your water in. Hydrating yourself is a great way to glow up for free. Also making sure you're getting enough sleep. Eating right, you're not eating overly processed foods. Making sure you're having the right nutrients. It fuels your mind and you're able to think better. You're able to be sharper. So if you're in school or if you are at work, you'll be able to perform a lot better and you also feel a lot better.
I had a little bit of time to kill before my nail appointment, so I found a coffee shop nearby, got a latte, and sat down to do some goal planning for the new year.
With my hair right here, like hello. I just need these bangs to cover my large forehead. Listening to music, I have like an hour of planning, so I'm going to honestly like plan out Q1, like figure out, okay, like these are the sponsorships that I have to get done, blah, 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 blah. So that's what's happening. I also have to finish a video script about the finers, because I'm thinking about going really simple or doing something kind of fun. You could do something kind of like this. It's like ombre. I think we're gonna do this.
It's the ombre aura style nails with a chrome topper.
I like when you do my nails.
Oh, thank you.
I always wear a mask whenever I come to the nail salon because if the techs are wearing masks, I'm like, I probably also shouldn't be breathing in all of the dust and the chemicals. So if you go to nail salon, make sure you wear a mask too.
I love coming to this older nail shop because the old ladies there are so nice. I'm going for a more pink, purpley, cool tone just for the winter time. I feel like ever since I started getting chrome, I can't go without it anymore. I think the nails turned out really cute and they were $105. Not the worst I've paid for nails. After that, I went and I hit a quick workout. I ran an 8-minute mile and then hit some weights. And I treated myself to an acai bowl right after.
I did my hair the way that I would probably wear it out. This is what it looks like. I don't know, I took a shower with it and it just feels so much easier to deal with. But yeah, I don't think I've had it this short in honestly years. So I'm packing up all of my stuff to go back to school. The nails came out really cute. I did my makeup because I just filmed the video, but it's time to drive to school. Bye.
We're back at school, back at the apartment. I kind of missed it actually. I just turned on my lights over here. And I also organized all of my stuff because I had way too many things. I also got some mail that was waiting for me downstairs because I haven't been here to get my mail. It's from Skims. I've been waiting for this package because I already did my early Valentine's Day shopping. So I'm gonna do a try on haul for you guys. Also, I didn't even realize that I'm wearing Skims, unironically. First thing I got is something that I wear on the daily. It's their everyday bra, and they have one in bright pink. Stop, I'm trying this on. One little thing about me, ever since I got this bra in black, gray, and bone, I don't wear wire bras anymore. Like, I literally haven't gone back. This one is so cute for Valentine's Day. It has these hearts on it. I also appreciate that Skims packaging is biodegradable. Next thing I got, they're these flared out kind of pants. They have heart cutouts, so your skin will make the shape of a heart. To me, a matching set just makes sense. Like, that is my true love this Valentine's Day. I had to pair it with a heart cutout top. I feel like this is gonna look so good on my skin tone. Valentine's Day pajamas are so cute to me because they go year round, and also they're a great gift. Like, boys, if you're watching, I don't know what man would be watching this, get a girl a Valentine's Day set, or ladies, send your man the link to this Valentine's Day set. It's this kind of like purpley pink with these kisses all over it. Valentine's Day is perfect for girly girls because you get all the pink, you get all the red, you get the kisses, you get the hearts, and you can wear it year round if it fits with your aesthetic. I got a bodysuit. Girl, this is a bodysuit, so it's gonna snatch you. I'm ordering like more of these like immediately. Like, seriously, after this video is done, I'm going on the Skims website and I'm ordering another one of these. Slack and Lace sends that confidence message, and I don't know, maybe I'll be wearing this on a date. I literally feel so much more confident with this on too. Like, this is so cute. That is everything that I got from Skims. Thank you so much to Skims for partnering with me on this section of the video. You can click the link down below to go to the Skims website and check out their Valentine's Day shop. I'm very tempted to place another order. Brushed my teeth, I'm gonna drink my water. The worst feeling is waking up dehydrated, especially in the middle of the night, and you're like, oh my gosh, I need water. I'm excited to be back. Gonna see all my friends. I don't know. It's gonna be a good year. Thank you guys for watching the maintenance vlog, and I'll see you on the first day of school.